I am Sunny, a psychology student from Central University of Karnataka here. Welcome to this video. When I was in hostel 2 months ago, I got a deadline to submit an assignment which was an internal component. For that, I worked hard and completed it well and kept on my table and went for sleep. In the morning, one of my roommates kept a cup of coffee near the table and by mistake it fell on my assignment. When I woke up, this was the scene which I saw and I don't know how to explain what I felt at that moment. Now, tell me, if you were in my position, what will you do? Will you hit that person or will you do something else? But at the very moment, the thought that came into my mind is that if I do a bad remark, that will make things worse. So what I did is, I just bit my tongue and put on a smile. Now, why do I tell you my experience? Because my goal with this video is to help you people to apply some emotion regulation strategies in your life. So, moving on to the strategies. The first strategy is counting breaths. So, before starting this, you can take a comfortable posture by sitting in your place. Then, you can either open your eyes or you can just close your eyes. Then, try to put a gentle smile on your face. Then think, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy? Or are you feeling sad? Or are you feeling little anxious? Anything is fine. Just concentrate on your natural breath. So here we are going to count from 1 to 10 for each inhale and exhale. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's start normal breathing. So now tell me, how are you feeling now? Are you feeling happy? Or are you feeling relaxed? Or are you feeling calm? Anything is fine. This is our first strategy. So, moving on to the second strategy, that is magic mustache. So, in this magic mustache, just take your forefinger and put right underneath your nose. So, here there is a pressure point and your task is to count from 1 to 10. So let's do it together. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So, after doing this, how are you feeling now? Most of you might be having a calming effect. Why? Because here there is a pressure point. So, by pressing here, we are getting a calming effect. So, this is our second strategy. So, moving on to the third strategy, that is positive self-talk. So here, as the name suggests, positive self-talk, we are saying positive and encouraging words to ourselves. So here, I am going to say 2 tips which you can also practice in your lives. So the first tip, that is saying that you are a positive person. So you can say, I am a positive person and nothing in this universe is going to affect me. Yes, I am a positive person and nothing in this universe is going to affect me. So by saying this, we are believing in ourselves that we are a positive person. So the second tip, that is saying positive affirmations. So you can say, I am smart. Yes, I am smart. Or you can say, I am beautiful. Yes, I am beautiful. Or you can say, I can do this or I can do that. Or you can say, I am successful or I can do everything. So by saying all these positive things, you can regulate your emotions. So these are the 3 strategies which I found as interesting. So you can also try this and check whether this works best for you. Always remember, emotion regulation is not feeling, but it is accepting all the feelings and using them wisely. Struggle to be an emotion scientist. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you people will practice these emotion strategies and apply in your life to lead a happy, healthy and powerful life.